Kuringana na murugamiriri wa ruhonge ruu Francis Meja, igoti ritiagiririe andu kunyitwo na mahitia ma gutwarithia ngari maria riu, no nirioririe mawatho mathugundwo weru na mbunge ihitukia uria kwagiriire kuringana na watho wa traffic.
The truth of the matter is we have no orders whatsoever of stopping us from detecting drunk drivers. We don't have any orders. The confusion is, as I said, the court yesterday said that these people should not be charged under the Breathalyzer rules, but under Section 44 of the Traffic Act.
Ona gutuika igoti niriamenereirie uhuthiri wa guthima mihomo kumenya kana mundu ni muriu. Meja augite no meguthi na mbere kuhuthira alcohol na guthitanga aria matwaraga ngari maria riu, kuona ati uriu ni ucungiririe ikuo cia Akenya ingi kuhitukira mitino ya barabara.
We will continue doing our operations as we seek even clarity on this judgment, but there is absolutely nothing that has stopped us from doing detection of drink driving. It is actually illegal to drink and drive.
Mwaka uyu andu 320 ni makuite kumana na mitino ya bara, aingi ao mari agukuo mitoka-ini, marumireirwo ni atwarithia a kibikibi aria ni 147, marumireirwo ni angi 80 mari matereba a mitoka. Muikariri gite wa bodi ya NTSA Joseph Waweru augite kamiti cia ugitiri wa mitino ni cithondeketwo kaunti-ini.
Bringing this county road safety committees together with the national one is of paramount importance, so that we can see a reduction in fatalities, a reduction in accidents on our roads.
Atongoria cio a NTSA makwaragia hindi ya githomo kia arugamiriri a kamiti cia ugitiri wa kaunti 14 kiria kiuma mucii wa Naivasha. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.